Hello my colleagues, in today's video I'll be sharing with you 5 applications you can use to save money in US dollar right here in Nigeria and earn good interest. We all know the issue with the valuation we are facing right now in Nigeria. So instead of you leaving your money idle in our Nigerian bank accounts, it is better we convert a portion of our money to USD and save it. The good part is that we get to earn interest on this money we are saving. By the way, if you're interested in business and finance related content, do well to smash the like button, subscribe to the YouTube channel. It's totally free of charge. And without much talk, let's jump right into today's video. Let's go. The first app we have on this list is the Risevest application. Risevest is an app that gives you access to a carefully selected portfolio of global investments across US stocks, US real estate and fixed income assets. I want you to think of Risevest as an investment manager and advisor that lives on your smartphone. They basically do all the hard work of finding good investment opportunities in the United States and then give you the opportunity to invest in them right from any location in Nigeria, Kenya, Ghana and Uganda. Risevest was founded by Bosun Olanrewaju, Eke Udum and Tony Odiba in 2019. The wealth management platform is used by over 600,000 people and has paid out over $42 million to its users. Risevest is registered with the SEC, which is the Securities Exchange Commission in the United States, and has been expanding rapidly right here in Nigeria. Recently, the company completed the purchase of Chaka, an application used for investing in the Nigerian and US stock market. To get started with Risevest, simply go to the Play Store or use my link in the description or comment section to download the application. Once you have done this, the next step to take is to sign up on the application. Then you proceed in doing your KYC, which is know your customer, and it's very important. Then you proceed in clicking on the part that says create investment plan, which is on the home page. Then you click on the fixed income that is right there on your screen. Then you proceed in investing. The average return you should be expecting is around 10 to 12% per annum. Risevest is a good app for preserving and growing your wealth as a Nigerian. Piggyvest is another good app for saving in foreign currency as a Nigerian, and you have the opportunity to earn up to 7% interest per annum on your savings with Piggyvest. Now, while you see Risevest as your investment advisor when it comes to saving your money, I want you to see Piggyvest as your accountability partner when it comes to saving your money. Piggyvest is actually one of my best saving applications in Nigeria, and thanks to 3 young Nigerians going by the name Somto Ifezo, Odunayo Oweniyi and Joshua Chibueze for coming up with such a wonderful application. You see, in the past, many Nigerians prefer to have a colo box where they put aside money at intervals and then hope that by the end of the year they would be able to break this box and access a huge amount of money that was saved over time. But have you ever experienced a situation where you put money in a colo box consistently only to open this box at the end of the year to see nothing in it? Well, I have experienced it before and know how I felt. Piggyvest was built to prevent this and offer you a safe and secure digital way to save your money, and they have gone the extra mile in allowing you to convert your naira to US dollar as well, to save, and on top of that earn interest. To start saving in US dollars using Piggyvest, simply use my link, which will be in the description or comment section, to download the application. Once you have downloaded the app, proceed to sign up. Then you do your KYC, which will take you less than 5 minutes. Once you have done your KYC, quickly scroll up to the savings section. Click on the part that says Flex Naira. Proceed in funding your Flex Naira with the amount of Naira you want to save in US dollar. Then click on the place that says Flex Dollar. Click on the black cross below. Put the amount of USD you want to convert your saved Naira to. Then you click on the part that says Flex Naira. Then you proceed in clicking on the place that says, on the green button that says Credit Flex Dollar. And you have just started the process of saving your money in US dollar using Piggyvest. Kwise is a wealth management app that allows users to save and invest their money. The company was founded by Razak Ahmed and Edward Popula in the year 2017 and is duly registered with the Securities and Exchange Commission of Nigeria to carry out activities related to savings and investing. Making use of Kwise for your USD investment and savings is pretty straightforward. Simply download the application, link would be in the comments and description, any of them, and then you proceed to do your KYC. It is also pretty straightforward. Once you have done this, you'll be taken to a page where you will see two options. The first one is to build my savings and the second one is invest my money. Now we want to go for the one that says invest my money. Reasons being that Kwise does not allow you to save in USD but allows you to invest in US dollar. So we select invest my money, then click on the option that says USD mutual funds. We then proceed to select any of the mutual funds we prefer. We then put in the amount we want to invest and then proceed in making the payment. And that is how to use Kwise to save and invest in foreign currencies. Binance is another good app for saving in USD and earning good returns. I personally use this app to help protect myself against the Naira devaluation. One strategy I actually leverage to make money saving my money in USD using Binance is through what they call staking, and this involves me converting my money in USD holdings on Binance to a particular crypto coin that pays good interest. Examples of currencies that pays good interest when you stake them are BNB, which returns around 3.5%. You have Solana, which returns around 9.9%, and several other currencies. I would advise you to do research for which currency you feel will rise on the long run, and then you convert your USD to that currency and then you stake it. The only downside to staking is when the value of the currency drops, your money and interest will as well drop. But when it increases, your money also increases. Another good way to save and earn money in foreign currency using Binance is through what they call yield farming. This involves lending your money to individuals in what they call DeFi, which is a short term for decentralized finance, and then you earn interest on these loans through what they call smart contracts. If you are a beginner to crypto, I know all these might sound confusing, but I will encourage you to smash the like button, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and also join my business and investing community. I will leave a link in the comment section and description, and be on the lookout as I will be dropping videos on how to make money leveraging crypto. Finally, another good way to save money in USD is using Bamboo investment application. Most of you think that Bamboo is only used for investing in the US stock market from Nigeria, but that's a big lie. The Bamboo investment app also has a cool feature called fixed returns, where you can lock your fund for a specific time frame and earn up to 8% return on your locked money. This is a very cool feature to try out. Now, if you have any questions in regards to any of the applications mentioned in this video, do well to leave a comment and I'll be there to respond. Leave a comment as well if you found this video helpful, and don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and it's totally free of charge actually, and see you on the next one. Deal.